What is up? I am Omni, and this is Ark Survival Evolved on the Wolves server. I want to thank you all for joining me today. I want to thank everybody so far that's shown their likes, their support, their comments, and everybody that's subscribed and everybody that will subscribe. I love it all so far. Keep it coming, please. I really want to see what everybody thinks of this. Okay, so I've been talking about it for a while now, so I decided let's just do this stuff. So I've got Pulmonoscorpius kibble. I've also got a ton of narcos. And in case of anything bad, just let me go ahead and get these laid out. Somewhere safe-ish. Maybe here? Somewhere where these won't get damaged easily. Just chill right there, please. So right here. Just in case stuff goes wrong. Just get these things renamed real quick so I can know on the fly what to do in case I do have to respawn. Okay. And I don't plan on leaving them here either, so I don't care about the punctuation. Anyways, if you haven't guessed it yet, what we're here to do is find a high-level T-Rex. Oh! And I borrowed one of the tribe's Spinos here, Current, to help me get it done. I could have brought Snow Angel. She probably could have handled most of the things on this island, but I decided I didn't want to mess around too much. So I brought this guy out here to eliminate everything and force respawns of hopefully a high-level Rex, if I can't find one right off the bat. So, let's go ahead and roll around here and see what we can find. Huh, somebody's built a little platform thingy. Okay. Let's just start by clearing out these guys. Oops. Ooh, I didn't know I was hitting that. I guess since I damaged it, it must have been somebody else's. Oh. Well, that's unfortunate. Now, I'm going to go ahead and apologize if I kill anything else that's really high level here, but I am after a Rex. And I don't want anything else to interfere with that. Ooh, looks like we got a big old cluster here, and I hope that's not an Alpha Raptor. Just wipe you all up! Wipe you all up! Yeah! Not paying attention to levels. So hopefully I haven't killed anything too high level. Although this scorpion might be it. Oh, okay, so that is definitely an alpha raptor. Let's go ahead and scope you out. Level 12, this should be able to do it. And what is that, Rex? Oh, come on, T-Rex. There is definite 36. Not really what I'm looking for. So, let's see if there's a second one hiding behind this island and maybe get some good experience for this Spino here. Yeah, love the knockback. Let's go ahead and lead you into deep water again. Right, no. Oh, no, don't eat. Okay, quickly. Journeyman bow, not really looking for that. I'll go ahead and take that. Okay. We'll just eat this. Okay. Ooh, there was a second Rex. 96. I really wanted above 100. So... And it doesn't... You're gonna keep walking around, aren't you? I wonder if I can just go around here and kill off this 36. Oh, come on. You're coming for me, aren't you? Oh no, did I scare you away? Looks like I might have. Okay, let's see if maybe we can't scare up more. So let's give this Rex a whitish berth. Yeah, get distracted. Okay, we're gonna do another lap at the island and see if we can't make another Rex spawn in. I guess if I can't do it after a while, I might end up going for that 96 if it survives. That just depends on the type of battles it picks. Ooh! No, 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 no. Let's see if we can't scope this out from the water. Oh. Come on. Come at me. All right. Is it safe? Okay. You are a 64. Can I see the other one? No, I don't think so. Looks like you paired up with the 96. Oh, there it is. You know, I really wish these scopes could let you track dinosaurs outside of their little field of view. I think this one's low level. Come on. 40, yeah. Uh-oh. Nope, you're not gonna let me get away, huh? Okay, screw it. This will be tons of XP. We'll push you out in the water and make you swim. Okay, come on, kill him, kill him, kill him. And then go. Forget it. We'll just make all Rexes respawn. This is going to be a big fight. Come on, I know you can do it. You're a champ. There we go. Let's go ahead and eat up. Because if I'm going to be fighting Rexes and Alphas, I'm going to need to heal. Let's go ahead and get that other Rex carcass. Okay. So while we re-stem, let's see. I'm sure they won't mind me pumping up melee on it. 350, let's take this to, yeah, over 5,500 hit points. Okay, so let's go get this last Rex here. Come on, keep that knockback going. Yeah. Alright. So, unfortunate we killed that 96, but like I said, I really wanted... Honestly, I want a 120. We already got a couple Rexes in the tribe right now, so it's not like we're hurting for them. And, you know, we've been breeding Spinos, and a lot of our results are around this level, 182 right now. So, let's just see what we can do about healing you up. We should have enough meat for that. Maybe one more stack. There we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and run around. Now, I haven't really prepared anything as far as like a trap for a Rex. what I just plan to do is kite it to the southern end of the island, where spawning is really light for the creatures, and hopefully drop it there. I have the kibble, and I'm starving myself. Oh, okay, so let's just run up here and see if maybe we struck out yet, and see if we get lucky here. Definitely got lots of carnos going on. Right now, that's just delicious XP for this guy. Make him into a true champ. Yeah. Just get some more meat on hand. Can never have too much of that. And we got another level, alright. So. Let's go ahead and do more melee. Why not? I think maybe I made it around too fast. Because I'm not seeing any Rexes there. Let's see if we can't clear this out fast enough to get that purple drop. Oh, you must be decently leveled RGs. Alright, now. Oh, we missed it. Darn. Oh well, okay peeps. Well, I think I'm gonna go around killing stuff for a while longer, see what kind of respawns I can't get to happen, and hopefully I can nail down a high level Rex and bring you in for that. Well, nothing left to say but see you in a bit, peeps. What is up? And we are back, and as you can tell, I've had some trouble. Luckily for me, my tribe was here to back me up, because everything in the world felt like getting in my way while I was trying to run and shoot this guy. But it's not the highest level Rex, it's only level 100. Hasn't taken a bite of that kibble yet. But let's see, we practically had the whole gang here for this. We got Hunter up there, Draco on his Snow White Spino.
Hey, what's up?
Carnage on his Black and Blue Spino.
Hello?
Tia on her Wolf.
Yeah.
And I'm sure we had Cove somewhere, but I didn't spot him.
Yeah, I'm on my RG. I'm flying around. I've gone back to the volcano to try and find that Rex.
We have a saber tooth over here. We'll take care of that.
But let's see. Well, he's taken a bite of his kibble, and it put him up at like 5% tamed already. We're gonna get plus 45 levels, so he won't be the biggest Rex in the park, but he'll still be a troublemaker. Oh, the only thing to do now is just to wait for him to be tamed, so we'll bring you back in a little while, peeps. See you until then.
See ya.
What is up? And we are back again. Well, I ended up missing the tame. I was kind of distracted at the moment when it tamed out, so sorry I couldn't get that on film. But we got our guy here. During the tame, a Sabertooth ended up charging in and smacking him once, so he only tamed out to the level 130. Haven't decided on a name yet. Kind of thinking of Killjoy. But he's not a bad Rex overall. We're standing at 4,400 hit points, 1134 in stamina, 750 in weight, so I probably won't touch that. And then 212 melee damage, so that's not bad. But now there's nothing left to do but to make that long walk back to our base, because we're really close to the northern shores and we're actually based in the southern area. I think they're actually called the southern shores. But Carnage stuck by me with the tame here, helped protect me. And thanks for that, Carnage.
You're welcome.
But now there's nothing to do now but just to get to walking. So, until next time, remember, I love that. I am Omni. This is Ark Survival Evolved on the Wolves server. If you like this episode, slam that like button, put some subscriptions in, give me some comments. And this trike ruined my exit. So your dinner. Alright. But remember, if you like it, like it. If you really liked it, subscribe to it. If you want me to do something, have a question, have a comment, leave a comment down below. So, until next time, remember everyone, to play hard and game harder.